For scores of smart entrepreneurs who have chosen Andhra Pradesh, it has proven to be a journey of growth and prosperity, not merely a business destination. From innovative policies and investor-friendly schemes to global technologies and modern infrastructure, the Sunrise State is the culmination of able governance, offering a harmonious setting for businesses to thrive. No wonder Andhra Pradesh is a bright spot, and it's your time to shine here. Andhra Pradesh is known to have the best food processing policy in India. Its departments work together to ensure that your entrepreneurial spirit is best used. The AP Food Processing Policy provides financial incentives like capital subsidy, power tariff subsidy, interest subsidy, tax incentives, 100% reimbursement of non-agriculture land, 100% exemption of cess or fees, 50% reimbursement of certifications and export incentives among others.
Our company has benefited immensely from the schemes, including capital subsidy enabled by the Andhra Pradesh government. These initiatives have not only developed but also given a boost to the entire food processing industry in the state.
Andhra Pradesh has been ranked first in the country on ease of doing business by Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. World Bank assessment makes food processing industry a more profitable venture.
గవర్నమెంట్ వారు చేసిన సింగిల్ విండో సిస్టమ్ వల్ల పరిశ్రమలు ఏర్పాటు కావడానికి అన్ని పర్మిషన్లతోనూ ప్లస్ దానికి తగ్గట్లుగా బ్యాంకుల నుంచి ఆర్థిక సహాయం అందడానికి తక్కువ వడ్డీకి పరిశ్రమలు డెవలప్ అవడానికి తోడ్పడుతుంది.
The government of Andhra Pradesh helps in increasing the market accessibility and promotion of the various products of the food processing policy.
AP government is setting precedents and extending all its possible support for units to market on global platforms, and this is the best example of the state's initiativeness in enhancing competitiveness of food processing industry.
Andhra Pradesh has a diverse resources capacity from its fertile river systems to large land bank, offering a variety and range of raw materials from fruits and vegetables to dairy and aqua produce.
నేను తమిళనాడులో 19 ఇయర్స్ ఇదే అంటే ఫుడ్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్లోనే జాబ్ చేయడం జరిగిందండి. అక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మైగ్రేట్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో రా మెటీరియల్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఇండస్ట్రీ ప్లాన్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ మాకేంటంటే మ్యాంగో, గోవా, పపాయ, గ్రీన్ చిల్లీ, రెడ్ చిల్లీ, లెమన్ ఎక్కువ దొరుకుతుందండి. అట్లాగే యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ బనానా కూడా బాగా దొరుకుతుంది.
Strategic geographic location with second largest coastline in India apart, 5 seaports, 6 airports including 2 international airports, wide railway network, many national and state highways and fast progressing inland waterways make for a reliable transportation system in Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh has got good transportation infrastructure in place. The well-linked roads, seaports, railway stations and airports uniquely place the state to export our finished product as well.
Around 60% of Andhra Pradesh's population is employed in agriculture and related activities. It has good scientific and research talent pool with 70% literacy rate, 58 agricultural research stations and horticulture and veterinary institutions.
Availability of skilled as well as cheap manpower that can be easily trained makes Andhra Pradesh a heaven for food processing units.
The Sunrise State has brought a focused attention on this sector through single window clearance.
When I want to start this industry, I had a little doubt how much time it will take to start this industry. But to my surprise, within 14 days, I got all the required licenses and permissions.
Andhra Pradesh is currently a power surplus state, and the state government is committed to supplying 24/7 uninterrupted power to industry.
Uninterrupted power and water supply helps my unit to produce more products in 3 shifts.
Andhra Pradesh has set up Andhra Pradesh Food Processing Society to act as a nodal agency for development of food processing sector.
It is heartening to see the involvement of Andhra Pradesh government. The kind of commitment shown by the state is getting reflected directly in the performance of the units like ours.
The Andhra Pradesh Food Processing Policy 2015-20 expects rupees 5,000 crore investments in the food processing sector by 2020. Thus, the government policies welcome utilization of all opportunities and resources available in the state.
Andhra Pradesh, when we decided the location, we made to ministry, and we were shocking that it's a tremendous response what we received from all ministry. It is very transparent. Having said that, we enroll in a scheme of 25% of APFC, which straight away gives 25% of our investment. That gives a boost to my investment. I can say that very soon we have to do a double capacity.
So come invest and prosper in the natural gateway to East and Southeast Asia and one of the most preferred destinations for food processing industries, Andhra Pradesh.